Hello everyone, welcome back to Fair Reactions TV 2.0. My name is Day. Today I'm going to do Breaking Bad Season 1, Episode 2. I'm really excited to continue on with this show. The first episode was really good. Let's see what Walter and the captain, I don't think I remember his name yet. Maybe I didn't catch it. I'm learning them. But I do know in the back of his car on his tag it said the captain, for short. Before we get started, if you would like to help support the channel, please visit the link down below the Patreon. I would appreciate it. Oh, when is she going to find out? I don't think he's going to tell her. He's going to pass out again or something like that.
Can't we just dump them here?
What? Then somebody finds them? Then what?
People have seen us.
The RV is going to start now. The RV is going to start right now. It's
Let's
going to start, and we're going to drive it over to your house.
Well,
my house.
Obviously, he made it out. He was at home. Come on.
Oh, shit.
They are really going to have to get their hands dirty.
This is AT&T calling. Are you happy with your current long-distance service?
I will be there after school.
Uh-oh, she's going to find
Are you
out.
shitting me?
Ditch it, man. Colin's
Of
sick.
course.
I would appreciate it if you don't call here anymore. Damn, they're so annoying, those people.
Yo, 148, 3 to the 3 to the 6 to the 9, representing the ABQ. What up, biatch? Leave it at the tone.
Yes, Ben.
Is this gonna be on the murder?
Excuse me?
What? Is this gonna be on the midterm?
Oh no, that's Walter. I think. Oh no, it's not. Yes.
You. Hey, listen.
Oh, no. Why?
Oh, God.
It feels like I'm breaking bad along with them because I don't want Walter to get caught and he's committing a crime. She's gonna find out.
The one downstairs, tell me about him. Well, come on, anything, something. Start with his name, at least.
Crazy 8.
Oh, that's
Crazy 8, what the hell does that even mean?
What?
What was that?
His wife.
What was what? Shh.
No. See, I'm too paranoid. She's gonna ease her way over there one day.
It seems to me that our best course of action would be chemical disincorporation.
I knew it. I was thinking acid.
Dissolving in strong acid.
I promise I'm not a criminal.
No, Mr. White, okay? I'm not good with dead bodies.
We are
He did a
in
good
this
job on his eye.
50-50, okay? Heads or tails?
No, I'll do the body and the acid, okay?
Still a little purple.
Heads or tails? That's 2 out of 3.
The 3 to the 6 to the 9, representing the ABQ. What up, biatch?
You need a cell phone.
Look at the bottom for a triangle stamped LDPE.
Any decent acid's gonna eat right through this.
Not hydrofluoric.
Why not?
Look, you skipped, clowned around.
Happening. No, don't make a mess. No, too messy. Too messy. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Look at me. I feel so bad. I feel terrible. I blame that on the ID channel. Suffocation.
Don't you fucking play games with me. Who's that?
Oh, he can't see.
Water. Hey, hello.
Poison. Oh, look at him. He's making him a sandwich and everything. What a polite killer. Look at him. That's for what's, later. Yeah.
You don't like the crust?
Oh, come on. How are you going to kill him? What is he going to lick? He's good.
Hey, Mr. White. Are you smoking weed? Oh my God. Wait a minute, is that my weed?
Yeah.
What the hell, man? Make yourself at home, why don't you?
2 bins.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Legs in one, torso in the other.
God. I don't suppose you could kiss my ass?
We're very good. We're excellent, I'd say.
I'm surprised they don't smell it on him.
Oh, would you look at that face? Who is Jesse Pinkman?
Jesse. That's his name.
Who is this Jesse Pinkman to you?
You may have to lie about this.
He sells me pot. What I need is for you to climb down out of my ass. Get off my ass. I'd appreciate it. I really would.
It's cool. It's all good, Joe.
Oh, I knew it.
May I talk to you?
Oh.
Whoa, hey, this is private property.
Just a minute. Do not sell marijuana to my husband.
Okay.
I mean it. Don't call our house again. You stay away from him, or you will be one sorry individual.
Yeah. Let's go to your house,
The bathtub?
Makes perfect sense. Let's, I always dreamt about, melting bodies.
Okay.
Is that what I think it is?
Yeah, it is. Smoked a bowl, so what?
Okay, so he
My
was
house, my
smoking
rules.
meth.
You got me running around town trying to find some stupid piece of plastic when I have a perfectly good tub I can use.
The pipes.
Oh, God.
The tub, too. What?
Hey!
Two birds. Oh, and it's going to leak on 8. Crazy 8. It's going to drip right on top of his head. Ooh.
You see, hydrofluoric acid won't eat through plastic. It will, however, dissolve metal, rock, glass, ceramic. So there's that.
Wow. I feel like that mask is going to come back and bite them in the butt. But yeah, another great episode. I have a feeling that Walter's wife, she's going to find out, maybe not everything, but she's going to find out what he's doing before this season is out. You know, I have to realize every show is not a mystery, so I don't need to put things together, but that's the mode that I'm in when I'm watching, you know, whatever. I'm always trying to think what's going to happen next. So if I throw out theories, don't mind me. It's just what I do. I know this is not like a mysterious show like Lost, for instance, where, you know, theories are embraced and everything like that. I am enjoying this ride that it's taking me on. I mean, I'm only 2 episodes in. At times watching it, I felt like I was Breaking Bad. So I feel like Walter, you know, started off innocent. And by the time I'm done watching this show, who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? It's like, no. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this reaction, please give me a huge thumbs up. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. I will be back very soon with episode 3.